Hello, in front of me I've got Mazda CX-30. In this video I'll show you how to manage map settings. To manage system map settings, let's go to Navigation, Menu, Navigation Settings, and Map Settings. Here you can place markers, manage 3D buildings, change viewpoint, change map view, enable street names, manage daytime color themes, and nighttime color themes. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.